Task A. Use of lookup to look up data in a table organized vertically. In cell K2, L2, M2, type VLOOKUP, startup name, amount in USD respectively. Select and copy cells from C9 to C15 and paste in cell L3. In cell M3, type equals VLOOKUP. L3, C2 to I1137, false, and press enter. Formula equals VLOOKUP, value, table, index, range, lookup. Hover over the bottom right corner of cell M3 and drag the fill handle down to the cell M9. Select cells from M3 to M9 and select number format currency. Task B. Use of HLOOKUP to look up data in a table organized horizontally. In cell J2, K2, L2, M2, type HLOOKUP, month, food and dining, health and fitness respectively. Select and copy cells from A10 to A12 and paste in cell K3. In cell L3, type equals HLOOKUP D1, A1 to H1410, false, and press enter. Formula equals HLOOKUP, value, table, row index, range lookup. Hover over the bottom right corner of cell L3 and drag the fill handle down to the cell L5. Select cells from L3 to L5 and select number format currency. In cell M3, type equals HLOOKUP. Open parenthesis G1, A1:H, 14, 10, false close parenthesis and press enter. Hover over the bottom right corner of cell M3 and drag the fill handle down to the cell M5. Select cells from M3 to M5 and select number format currency.